I'm very confident. I was confident back then. I was confident when I was playing Champions Trophy. I'm confident now. So if you ask me about my confidence, it's always going to be high. Yeah, that's it. That's the answer, I guess.
Hi, Hardik. So my question to you is, over the years, we witnessed various stages of your journey, from the dynamic and raw talent in 2015 to 2017 to the more refined, injury-affected phase. And now, throughout the Champions Trophy, you've displayed a new level of maturity and leadership. So now, as the captain of Mumbai Indians, how would you describe Hardik Pandya 3.0, and what do you envision for your continued growth, both as a player and a leader, and what surprises can we expect from you?
I mean, quickly I can, yeah, my life has been quite up and down, but I think that has been the learning which I really enjoyed. It has just not taught me about the sport, it has taught me about life as well, that how life would be over the years. Yeah, I mean, this year it's a fresh year, 366 days, as he mentioned. A lot of things have changed, a lot of love and joy, and a lot of things are added. So, yeah, I mean, 3.0 would be, I mean, every year I think it has become a point 0 added, but this year it will be same. There will be always passion. There will be always grit. There will be always challenges, which I love. And I think for me, the crucial part would be to make sure that the challenges are not the way how they've been thrown at me, but to my boys, if the challenges are thrown, how I can help them and fight their way out. So for me, this year, the challenges and the excitement part is that how can I add more value to all the players who are there. And yeah, my journey will keep continue. I'm here.
Hardik, this is about captaincy. I asked Rohit also last season after IPL last year. He played in Mumbai under you, and then he became the captain of India team. So in your situation, how do you look at it? You played under Rohit and Surya, and there is also Bumrah who became India captain. How do you see the situation? Is it thrice over? And secondly, just want to ask you about your no-look uppercut, which is quite a big spectacle. What is the secret behind confidence and self-poise?
Sir, the captaincy part is that I'm lucky that I have 3 captains who are playing with me. So yeah, it adds more and more experience for me that if I required help, I know that there are 3 different minds who have led India for different formats, and with so many years of experience can be always there and they can put the arm around my shoulder and always be there for help. So I look at it that way. Now coming back to on the shot, I think that is, sir, more reactive shot. I think that would have not happened if the bowler would have not seen and showed me the expression that, yeah, it's gone for a boundary. When I played the shot, I looked at the bowler and the coach and bowler and the captain. They both put their head down and they were going back. So I knew it has gone for the boundary. So the confidence, it's from the practice, but maybe the execution came on the heat of the moment where I played the shot, they reacted like that. Then I yeah, I don't need to look if it's fine. So yeah, that's it.